Blackstone presents Flock Without Birds, a novel about the illusions that make up our world. Written by Filip Dousek, narrated by Jonathan Davis and Scott Brick. The story. To the searchers, the curious, the lost, stay the course. To my children, who saved me from another 10 years of rewrites. Prologue. Ancient wisdom says the whole is more than the sum of its parts. But if that is the case, how do we account for the difference? What is a flock without birds? Say, this is the magic of books. You open one and there's a whole library inside. Look around. The walls are strewn with shelves of continental philosophy, military history, mathematics of fractals, comparative logic, Renaissance artworks, and the major novels of the European milieu. Here are the Gnostics. There, shamanism and the myths of medieval Prussia. Even a small collection of 16th century Irish poems. Lovely little pieces, I must say. An old man's library, I guess, constitutes the footnotes to his life. Funny that I only started reading regularly after 30. I had no time for it before then. I was a young man in Cambridge who chased a dream. To truly grasp the mystery of the world, that was my desire. And yes, I know that everyone in Cambridge is after the same thing, but I was a wee bit extra dedicated. A bloody fanatic, really. I lived my days and nights figuring out how it might be possible to reach that mystical place that links all the seemingly chaotic fragments of this universe. But I didn't read. I was no philosopher, no bookworm. I joined the humble profession of data science and...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?